Sunday, September 1, No Filter Entertainment and Big L Entertainment presents a Labor Day Explosion featuring Subtle, Faces You Know featuring Illegal Peru, Mature Clientele with special guest Steve Roy, and DJ Frank White on the ones and twos. Hosted by Billy the Kid at the Babylon, 3501 South Jefferson Street, Falls Church, Virginia. Tickets $25 in advance. It's the Labor Day Explosion with Subtle, Faces You Know, Illegal Peru, Mature Clientele with special guest Steve Roy, and DJ Frank White, hosted by Billy the Kid. For tickets, call 301-537-6387. Be there!